Welcome to this short installation video brought to you by the friendly folks at Pfister. Here, we will demonstrate how to replace your ceramic disc cartridge and retainer nut on your Pfister kitchen faucet. To begin, be sure to turn off the water supply to your faucet. Locate the set screw underneath or behind your faucet handle and loosen it using a 3/32 Allen wrench. You may need to remove the small cover before you can access the set screw. Keep the set screws in a safe place, then remove the handle. Remove the extension stem by loosening the screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Next, remove the dome cap. This can be done by unscrewing it or by pulling it straight out, depending on the type of faucet you have. If you are experiencing a leak, you may only need to tighten the existing retainer nut to seal the leak. Try this first. Then turn the water back on to see if the leak is still present before proceeding. Remove the retainer nut with a pair of pliers. Grab the retainer nut and turn it counterclockwise until it can be loosened by hand. Remove the existing cartridge by pulling it straight out from the body. You may need to wiggle it a bit to unseat it. Once removed, clear the cavity of any loose pieces or debris. Insert your new cartridge into the body and rotate gently to ensure it seats into place. Reinstall the retainer nut and tighten it with your pliers. Reinstall the dome cap by screwing it back onto the body or pushing it straight on. Use your Phillips screwdriver to reinstall the extension stem screw. Turn on the water and check for leaks. If a leak is detected, turn off the water and recheck that the cartridge and retainer nut are properly tightened. If a leak is detected, turn off the water and recheck that the cartridge and retainer nut are properly tightened. Place the handle back onto the body and then reapply the set screw and cover. Test your faucet to ensure all components are working properly. Great job! Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, visit our website at Pfister.com or give us a call at 1-800-FAUCET.